How to reset your Android phone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Android phone easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to settings and then scroll all the way down like this and click on this system option. Now after you click on it, all what you have to do now is click on reset. After you click on receipt, now click on receipt phone as you can see right here. And after you click on it, all what you have to do is confirm and everything is gonna be receipted on your phone. So don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.